right now in the pitch black.
Oh, I should have
Turn on the infrared. Infrared light. Yeah. That's the infrared. See? Yeah, infrared. Yeah, look at this.
no stabilization.
Infrared. Pitch black. Everything you can see. The camera will see. Yeah. Camera is seeing everything that I don't see. Doesn't have any light at all. Yeah. Welcome to the infrared camera right now. Yeah, right. Time camera. Dito na ba natin masasabi na ako ay isang social media influencer na? Kasi marami na tayong na-influence. Sige pa, papidya pa. Natawa ko sa sarili.